look who finally decided to show up. Man, get over here. Hi everyone, it's Thao. Look what I have in front of me. It's finally here after a long wait. Now in my previous video, I asked you all what colored phone you thought I ordered. A lot of you guys assumed that I got the not pink Google Pixel 3, but in fact, I got, drum roll, bam! I got the just black. For those of you who are curious why I got the just black, it's because I love the two-tone, like the whole idea of the two-tone, the glass and the matte finish. I found that it's more distinctive on the black device, so that's the reason why I got the just black. I went with the smaller Pixel 3 instead of the XL. Come on, like for obvious reasons. The notch, like I just can't deal with it. So decided to go with the baby brother instead. All right, let's start unboxing. I'm gonna unbox this later. Let's save that. Now here we are. Get my unboxing knife. Wait, do you even need one? I think there's a little peel here. There is. Now here we go. This is the box. Very nice packaging. Has some really good heft to it also. It says Team Pixel on the back. There we go. And let's do this. All right, so I'm gonna pull on this tab here. And we're in. Wait, hold on a second. Oh, there's two. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay. On the other side. Love unboxing things. Moment of truth, guys. We're in. Okay. This is really exciting. Oh my gosh. Okay. So here, I'm just gonna place this gently to the side. All right, it's going in. You got your SIM ejection tool and I guess what looks like a manual. You get Google sticker too. And it says Team Pixel and the Google logo. That's really cool. Might stick that on my car. Oh, what's this? Yay, earphones! If you're buying the Pixel 3, know that there is no headphone jack. These earphones will connect via USB-C. They also provide you with a headphone dongle, so you also have that option as well. Also included is a quick switch adapter and a charging adapter. And you also get your Type-C USB cable. And that's pretty much it. Let's check out the phone now. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I don't know why, but I'm really nervous. Okay. Alright. Okay. Let's do this. No turning back out. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Here it is, my first official Pixel. In just black. Design-wise, I love, and I mean love, the gloss and matte finish on the back. It looks super premium. Honestly, I don't know about $1,100 premium, but it looks like a really well-built phone. Comfort-wise, the Pixel 3 fits perfectly and securely on my hands. As well, I love the location of the fingerprint sensor. Easy for us people with smaller hands to reach. In terms of size, similar to the S9, this is the perfect size phone when I'm out and about because it fits perfectly into my pockets and purse. Honestly, I bought this phone potentially so that it could replace my Samsung Galaxy S9. And don't get me wrong, I love my Samsung Galaxy S9 as my personal phone. But I heard that the camera on the Pixels, especially on the Pixel 3, is just mind-blowingly beautiful. And I'm sorry, sometimes all it takes is just a really good camera to get you second guessing. Time to test this phone out. I'm quickly going to insert my SIM card and turn this baby on, so I will be right back. Right off the bat, I love the haptic feedback. I'm not gonna lie, the gestures, this is gonna take some time to get used to for me, because as you can see, you're gonna have to swipe up twice instead of just one single smooth swipe up like with the S9. But I'm sure I'll get used to it eventually. Another thing about this phone, the Pixel, is that there's no curved glass on the sides like the Samsung Galaxy S9. So it is flat, which I'm totally fine with. And the thing I'm gonna miss so much is the edge screen. I use that all the time with my Samsung Galaxy S9, so that will be deeply missed. So it is gonna take me a while to get used to the stock Android experience, but I will be testing this out for the next few weeks and do expect a full review video on the Google Pixel 3. So enough with this. Moving on to the Google Pixel stand that was given as a pre-order bonus gift from Google. So let's unbox this. Where's my unboxing knife? Unboxing knife? Let's do this. Okay, I don't want to damage the box. Alright, got here. Okay, that literally did nothing. Okay. Really? Screw it. Just rip it like this. Get the knife away from the phone. Okay. Alright. Okay, how do you open this? Oh, I see. Okay. So you slide this out like this. Woo. Sorry for the mess. Oh, it's not as big as it looks on the picture, which is good because I was like, wait, that looks kind of big. No, it's actually pretty small and compact. So here is the Pixel stand. Let me just take the sticker off. Let's see what else is included in the box. You got your charging adapter and your USB-C cable. That's it. I love that the stand allows you to place your phone upright. It's just easier to read your notifications this way while it's charging. Love it. Oh, I actually really like it. This is super nice. Now, I'm literally surrounded by wireless chargers. Like literally, it's all over my house. They all are black, so this is kind of a nice change. Got a nice cute Google white one here. Thank you all so much for watching, and like I mentioned earlier in this video, do expect more content on the Pixel 3 and how it compares to the Samsung Galaxy S9. Am I going to make the switch or not? So until the next one, peace. Bye! Let's snap a couple of selfies.